Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
Out of all the power equipment, different manufacturers you've used and all that, do you have a favorite manufacturer that you like to use at all?
No, not really. You know, I think most of them are probably equal. Stihl, baby, Stihl. Is your Stihl equipment smoking? Have you lost some of the zip, some of the power? Is it not just running like you would like it? 99% of the time, it's because that piston is gunked up. On the piston is going to be these micro grooves, like little circles going all the way down it. They're meant to bring oil, to lubricate that cylinder. Over time, when you're using crappy gas, junky gas, ethanol gas, old gas, last year's gas, guess what takes place? You're going to take off the casing of this, which is ballistic polymer. You're going to take off the muffler. Oh, what are you going to find? You're going to look at that piston head and it's going to be brown. What is that? That's garbage gas. That's gunk. Okay, that's ethanol that's turned into this black. You will lose compression. You will lose power. You will eventually blow out that unit, blow out the head, blow out the valves. What can I do about it, Matt? Listen, I'm not a mechanic. I just drop the stuff off. Embarrassingly, you drop it off, okay, after abusing it. Friends, don't do it, okay? From day one that you get your Stihl equipment, if you're buying it new, get premium gas and use this. The reason Stihl doubles the warranty is because this has an additive, it has a detergent that will not allow that to take place. You will not gunk up the engine. They're so sure of this stuff and how good it is. Most of the time when a person takes their unit to the Stihl dealership, do you know what he's going to do first? He's going to diagnose it. He's not taking it apart. He's going to run this through it. This is such an easy fix, it would blow your mind. A lot of times when an individual takes their Stihl equipment that's not running right, lost compression, smoking or whatever, and you take it to that authorized dealer, the Stihl dealer, do you know what they're going to do? And you might be like, Matt, they take it apart and they take this. No. They fill it with this and they just put a rubber band right here and they run it on high because this has everything in it to clean it out. Listen, instead of you doing this, they're going to do it, but they're going to charge you because most likely it's out of warranty and you just abuse it because it takes a long time to really destroy these things, okay? Those rings on the piston eventually get brown. They get gunked. They can't lubricate that chamber. Your valves, they look like hell. You don't want that. And so what can you do? All you have to do is run this through. Run a tank of this through. And when you're talking about winterizing it, friends, the last thing you want to do is put that thing on the wall and not touch it for 4 or 5 months. No, you want to dump the old gas out and run at least a tank of this through because it's going to clean everything and you're going to totally run it out so there's nothing in it. Then you're ready for next spring when it's time to get it on in the hot sun for 10 to 12 hours. Remember, stay away from the gasoline that has ethanol, that's old, that's been sitting there since last winter. You don't want to have anything to do with that. When you first get the unit, get the good stuff. Don't buy the oil ratio that's from Walmart. That's not going to do you any favors. Get the good stuff. And if you're having problems with the unit, go ahead and buy the Moto Mix. Periodically, the Moto Mix through your units, whatever they are, just not the trimmers, the chainsaws, the blowers, the edgers, any of that stuff. It's all going to be cleaned and maintained by using this periodically. I hope this helped you out. If it did, buy me a cup of coffee. Don't make me come to your house and take your Stihl equipment, clean it, wash it, use it, and mow your lawn, because I will. Well, I hope I saved you a couple $100. Hey, this is Matt in the cave.